Hey everyone, my name is Jay. For those who don't know me, my pronouns are they, them, and my practice is called Bodywork with Jay. I am a white, queer, non-binary, trans bodyworker, somatic embodiment coach, and writer focused on trauma healing and abolition. And in order to make my sliding scale practice more accessible, both for others and myself, and continuing to do this work, I am launching a Patreon today, which has been a long time in the making. I want the Patreon to be a chance for folks to support the work that I'm doing, but also provide support to them in return. So in like a mutual aid type of framework to support my larger body work and somatic practice and writing, which itself is founded in redistribution, reparations, and mutual aid. That is my model, and what is important to me as I exist as a human in the world, and also in the ways that my work is reflected. So, want to tell you a little bit about what this Patreon will look like and invite you to join me in it. Similarly to as if we were setting up a one-on-one Zoom call, which I'm also still offering, the Patreon is going to offer an opportunity for you to receive content to absorb and integrate into your mind and body at your own pace, because everything's going to be pre-recorded that I send you as a thank you for your financial contributions to me. So really it can be anything that you're looking for, that you feel comfortable with me holding space for you in that way. How it's going to work is I will be checking my email for anything that you would like to suggest me to make a video about in the coming months. And I will just try to incorporate everyone's suggestions after you've signed up for the Patreon and just roll that content out. There will be different amounts of content you will receive based on how much you pay per month, starting at the $10 and above level. Anything under than that, thank you so much. I will continue to release things on my website and send you things via email and put things on my YouTube, all that good stuff. But to really receive the new content monthly, it will be at the $10 and up level. So if you would like to see more about those levels, they are simply listed in a description that I have on my Patreon, rather than having like different levels marked off in different boxes like you might have seen on some Patreons. So just read the description and see what is sustainable for you per month. I wanted to also make it available to literally give any dollar amount that you want, so there's that opportunity to, rather than having to be locked into a certain price frame. And feel free to, change that amount each month, or however often that you need to, based on what is working for you. So, hope that is helpful. Again, just to kind of give a little preview of what you could ask for to get some ideas flowing. I've been doing work on Zoom with folks as it relates to embodiment, somatic breathing, grounding exercises, stretching and strengthening exercises, especially as it relates to certain areas of pain and certain patterns that you might be holding in your body. I've been teaching folks how to do self-massage on themselves as well as on a friend or a partner or a parent. Anybody, that you are potted with right now. For folks who bind their chest and or might be prepping for top surgery or top surgery recovery, or are still having some effects from top surgery. Those are all things that I have a whole video series and regimen worked out that I can provide. So, anything that you think might serve you, I'm very interested in hearing your ideas and your thoughts. So all feedback welcome too as I launch this. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me at Bodywork with J, that's just the letter J, at gmail.com. And please check out my website, bodyworkwithj.com, and my social media, which you will find linked on the website. All right. Thanks so much.